Hey there, Andrei from Kiravo here. In today's video, I'll show you how to enable debug mode for WordPress. Log into your control panel, go to websites, click on your website, then go to apps, click manage, scroll down to debug and turn on the WP debug, WP debug log, and you can also enable WP debug display. So this will show debug messages on the page's HTML. So the first option enables debug mode. The second option enables the debug log file, so all the errors will be saved in WP content debug.log file. And the third option will show the debug messages on the page's HTML. Now you can go to Files, double-click Public HTML, double-click WP Content, and here you will see the debug log. That's how easy you can enable debug mode. After you've done, you go back to Manage, Debug, and disable all three.